Hi, for this learning progression assignment, we are looking at the Life Science Standards, LS1 for kindergarten, first grade, third grade, fourth grade, and fifth grade. And for kindergarten, molecules to organisms, structures, and processes. And here is a screenshot of the standard. The essential question is, what does a larva need to survive and become a butterfly? And the phenomena that the students will observe is a butterfly kit for the classroom, and they will be able to watch various stages of the butterfly life cycle. Learning target would be students will be able to tell their classmates during a think, pair, share activity what a butterfly eats at each stage of the life cycle to survive. For example, the larva eats its eggshell, and caterpillars leaves. And to tap into the kindergartner's prior knowledge, we would have a little whole group discussion about how have they seen butterflies in their yard or at a place outside like the park, or have students ever seen a caterpillar? And we'll be doing various whole group activities to give the kindergartners a lot of visual ideas of the butterfly life cycle. For instance, this craft activity shows using a paper plate, some beans, and various types of pasta to represent the various stages of the butterfly life cycle. The beans are the eggs, this pasta is the caterpillar, this type of pasta is the chrysalis, and this type of pasta is the butterfly. And another activity that students will be able to access on their Chromebooks is this Padlet, showing the various stages of the butterfly with enlarged photographs. This is the caterpillar. This is the pupa or the chrysalis. And this is the butterfly. Performance expectation is, what is the food requirement for the butterfly life cycle? What do they need to survive? The ELA connection is that students will keep a journal with words and pictures about what they are observing with the life cycle of the butterfly with the butterfly kit for the classroom. Technology connection is various videos on YouTube that are age-appropriate videos that the kindergartners will understand regarding the life cycle of the butterfly. And the math connection would be keeping a calendar, marking off each day that the butterfly goes through their cycles, counting the days of each butterfly cycle. And since there's more than one butterfly in the kit, we'll observe to see if every butterfly has the same amount of days with the cycle that they are going through. More visuals for our kindergarten students, since many kindergartners students do not read yet, shows them the butterfly life cycle. This is the kit that we will be purchasing, and this will be the final result of the kit. Now in first grade, we're going to review how material is used to design a solution to a human problem by mimicking how plants or animals use their external parts to help them survive, grow, and meet their needs. And the essential question for this lesson would be, how has nature given human ideas for protection? How has nature given humans ideas for protection? The phenomena that they would investigate is solutions to a human problem with biomimicry. Students will be able to tell their classmates during a think, pair, share activity at least 2 examples of biomimicry and how they protect humans. And to tap into some of the students' prior knowledge, we will talk about the butterfly cycle activity and regarding parts used for survival during the butterfly cycle, for example, the shell of the egg and protective covering of the chrysalis. One example of an activity would have students conduct a survey of how many things they can research that use Velcro, for instance, shoes, backpacks, and we will talk about the inventor who was hiking through a mountain range in Switzerland and was inspired to invent Velcro because of the tiny hooks of the cocklebur plant, which stuck on his pants and in his dog's fur. And the engagement TPT is number 11, categorizing and sorting. We would create laminated pictures of animals and inventions and then match up the animals and the invention that humans created from observing animals. With a partner, they will determine which animal inspired the man-made invention, and each pair of students will be asked to justify their thinking. Performance expectation is how do we use models of nature to design protection for humans, which is called biomimicry. The ELA standard would be we would have a read aloud book activity about how nature did it first. Again, various YouTube videos that will help students understand biomimicry. And the math connection, there wasn't an actual math connection for this standard, but we will do a tally chart about how many biomimicry items that humans use and were inspired by animals. And here's our word, biomimicry. Bio means life, mimicry means copy. And here's a list of various human inventions that were inspired by nature.